What up, YouTube? This is Maurice from Barber Mosaic, and a lot of times, man, when you cutting hair, you doing that ball fade, you you have that line, like that little bowl cut looking line right there, and you want to get rid of that. And as a beginner myself, it's very hard sometimes to set a straight line without using my trimmer overhand. I really don't get it as straight as I know as I do overhand if I use an underhand stroke. So I like to just go ahead and do overhand and just make a line around the head. But a lot of times you can't get that line out. I found a way to do it consistently, and I'm gonna show you right now how it is. Maybe say what's up. All right, so let's get into it. So now we're gonna take the bottom line out. This was set in with the trimmer, right? With a tight trimmer. The fabulous golden effect. I'm gonna go back over this so you know this ain't no fugazi. Okay? Bottom line, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And this for people like me, like beginners, that have a hard time keeping the line straight. So you just want to try to make it as straight as you can. But then a lot of times the problem I was running into was when I had the line straight with the trimmer, the other barbers, the more experienced barbers, like, yo, you can't do that. Smooth JR3, follow him on Instagram, Smooth JR3. He was like, yo, you should have set the line in with the trimmer because it's gonna be hard to get out. And they were right. Until I got this. Put a ceramic blade on there, zero gapped it to the highest level of zero gaptivity, and watch how easy it takes the bottom line out, alright? So, watch. It's just all the way closed, zero gap. Let's go. There's the bottom line. I don't gotta use the corner of the blade. I don't gotta do no picking or none of that. Just move it up some. Boom. Now, I don't know if this works with, any regular steel blade or whatever. But I was still having trouble getting the bottom line out when I just had a steel blade. And I'm just pushing it up, notch by notch, you know what I'm saying? Going all the way up. That's all I'm doing. Boom. The bottom line, boom. We're good. Put my one on there. Close it. All the way up to the line. Come up the head a little bit. So this is a beginner. Sharing what I've learned from other beginners. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a very inexperienced barber. I just really got started doing this. I'm still learning as I go. But any new thing that I pick up along the way that helps me, I'm gonna see if I can share it with you to help you as well, man. That's what this thing is about. About each one. Hopefully, I have my license in January. I already took all my tests and passed all my tests and everything. I'm just doing my year apprenticeship in South Carolina. You gotta do that for a year. You gotta cut as an apprentice. Kind of like on a probationary period. And that fade outside is done. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Good. And I already did the other side. I did the other side. And I'm gonna finish off the back. Hit him with the hook part you want, and then he'll be good to go. Peace.